Today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys all about the new Tower 28. This is the SOS Daily Balancing Gel Cleanser. I've been testing this out for a few weeks now, so I figured it would be a good time to let you guys know my overall thoughts on this, let you guys know the details of it, if I think it's a good cleanser or not, if I think it's worth it. I'll also do a little demo on the skin so you guys can see what it looks like when you are using the cleanser. Gonna let you guys know how it feels on the skin, all of that stuff. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Tower 28 did kindly gift me this cleanser, but this video is not sponsored, meaning I'm not being paid to make this video. As always, opinions are always honest and my own. So let's start off with the price point of this. It retails for $20 and you get 5 fluid ounces. So this is really gonna last you a good amount of time. And I've been using this for like 3 weeks now. It looks like I barely used it at all. You really only need like 1 to 2 pumps when you use it. I imagine that this is going to last me months. I can see this lasting me like 3 to maybe even 5 months. I don't know, like I feel like it barely looks like I've even touched it, and I've already been using it for 3 weeks. So I have a feeling this is going to last a good amount of time. And this is said to be a gentle daily cleanser with the power to do everything you want, including easily removing makeup, SPF, oils, and dirt without burning the eyes or leaving the skin tight. So this is supposed to be non-stripping. It is pH balancing, it is dermatologist approved, and it's supposed to be sensitive skin safe, clinically proven, and it is also fragrance free. So this is a pH balancing fragrance-free cleanser, and it's supposed to help with naturally soothing inflammation and actively infuses essential minerals and electrolytes into the skin for healthy, hydrated, balanced skin. So looking into the ingredients, this does look like a really nice, pretty simple ingredient list. The first ingredient is water. There is also aloe leaf juice in here, so that's really great for calming and soothing the skin. And this also has niacinamide in here, and those are all ingredients that are at the top of the ingredient list. This also has oat kernel extract, so that seems like a good ingredient for helping with soothing the skin and calming inflammation. So a really nice, pretty good, like I feel like a pretty simple kind of ingredient list that is going to be great if you just are looking for a very simple, gentle cleanser that you can count on to work for your skin. And this is a gel cleanser, which typically gel cleansers, people with oily skin or combination skin might be specifically drawn to gel like cleansers. Gel cleansers can sometimes be a little bit more stripping to the skin. Not necessarily always stripping, but they, I feel like, are better when you have oily skin or combo skin. This is said to be non-stripping, and I very much do agree with that. So here I'm gonna put a little demo of me using this cleanser. So this cleanser doesn't lather up a lot, which honestly is not a problem to me. I think it is great because I think the fact that it does not lather up a lot helps with preventing this from being stripping to the skin. So this has a very nice kind of like glidey texture to it. Feels very smooth going on, kind of feels a little bit moisturizing going on, and it does lather up a little bit, so it does feel like you are getting a good cleanse on your skin. However, it's not going to leave your skin feeling stripped. I've really enjoyed this cleanser. I feel like it just makes my skin feel comfortable and clean, but not stripped, and my skin doesn't feel overly dry where I feel like I have to immediately rush to put on a moisturizer. I do still use a moisturizer after using this anyway, but it doesn't leave my skin feeling stripped and really uncomfortable. As with pretty much any cleanser, you can use this both morning and night, and that is what I've been doing. Sometimes I don't cleanse my skin in the morning, and I think that this is a really nice, just simple, gentle cleanser that I think a lot of skin types would enjoy. If you do like a gel-like cleanser, I think that this is something that you might like. Now, this is part of their SOS line. So when I originally thought about this product, I thought it was going to have hypochlorous acid. I thought it was going to be something kind of like their SOS facial spray where it has hypochlorous acid, but this doesn't have that ingredient in here, which I mean, it's fine. This is a wash off treatment anyway, but it's just a nice, simple, gentle cleanser that I feel like a lot of people would enjoy. If you do have really dry skin, then maybe you wouldn't care for a gel-like type of cleanser. Maybe you would want something that's a little bit more nourishing to the skin, but I don't find that this leaves my skin feeling super dry. So I really do feel like dry skin types could still use this as well if you are somebody who still likes a gel cleanser. But I just found this is really nice and simple, and I feel like it's kind of like a go back to the basics type of cleanser where if you're just having issues issues with your skin and you don't want to kind of experiment with new cleansers, or you just want a cleanser that you know isn't going to cause issues, then I think that this is one that will probably work for a lot of people. This has magnesium in here, so they do mention how this does have essential minerals in here, and it also has electrolytes, so some great things for your skin. I feel like this is a really nice gentle cleanser, and I've been enjoying it. So I'm excited to keep using this. This is definitely one that I would say is worth it. If you have oily or combination skin or even normal skin, I think that you will especially like this. I have combination acne-prone skin, and I've been really enjoying this. I haven't had any issues with feeling like this has caused any breakouts or anything. It's just been a really nice cleanser. So I like it. I've been enjoying it, and I would definitely recommend it. If you are interested in checking this out and my video helped you out and you are thinking about purchasing this anyway, it would mean so much if you would use the link in the description box below. It's no additional cost to you, but it is an affiliate link, so if you do use that link, I receive a small portion of the sale, but no pressure to do that. But if you do use my link, thank you so much for your support. It truly means so much. I am also going to be doing a review about the entire SOS skincare line from Tower 28, so if you're interested in seeing that, make sure that you're subscribed, and also make sure to click the notification bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. But if you guys do have any questions about this cleanser, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see even more content from me in the future and you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.